Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these seat covers. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending these out for review, so let's go ahead and check them out. So as you can see here, they are currently in the box. I'm actually going to be taking out these seat covers, so we can go ahead and take a look at the fabric. This does state high-end fabric car seat covers, so let's check them out. They say they are easy to install, they are compatible with airbags, and exquisite high-end materials. Now, one of the things that I do want to point out is that these are available in a variety of colors. As you can see, they have from reds to pinks, black, white, gray, a lighter gray, and a blue shade. So depending on the color of your car or your favorite color, whichever one, they do give you a variety of options to choose from, 4 colors. Now, I did go ahead and get the white color. They are black and white. My color is a white vehicle, so I did want to go ahead and match it to my car color. I was stuck between those and the pink ones, but as you can see, everything that you need is in here. It is actually neatly packaged. So let me go ahead and take these out. Okay, so as you can see here, they come nice and folded. You do get an installation card. So it's just going to show you how to properly install them to your vehicle. And here they are. Actually pretty lightweight. They are not heavy. So everything comes individual. As you can see, these are the headrests. It is a pretty lightweight material. This is kind of a, so you can see it's a little bit see-through. This is going to be the back piece, and the front piece does have a little more cushion. They do have an elastic band around them, so they are nice and stretchy. As you can see, they just came out of the box, so they are not fitted. I would personally give them some time just to make sure once you put them in your vehicle that they get a nice and stretched, so they will go ahead and mold to its shape. But this is what the headrest looks like. All right, so let's take a look at one of these. Now they are made of 100% polyester material. Take a look. The stitching is actually quite nice. Give you a closer look on that. Take a look at the stitching. As you can see, it is white and black on the side. Now this is the seat part. It's going to go underneath the seat. It does have this strap right here, so this is going to be the bottom. It's just to make sure that it is nice and secure. And again, they do have that elastic band throughout. It does have a hole up top just to go ahead and pull it through. And same with the headrest. The front part is a little bit more solid and has light cushion, and the back piece is a little bit more of a see-through style. It is a lighter fabric. Give you a closer look on that. Take a look at the stitching, the color. So this does come with a total of the 2 front seat covers and also the back seat cover. This here is the front seat. So these seats are compatible with a variety of vehicles, from trucks, SUVs, and compact cars. So if you've been on the lookout for new vehicle covers, then definitely check these out. I'll go ahead and drop the link down below so you can take a look at the variety of color options they have available. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.